This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Meet. Google.com or the Meet tab in Gmail. Once done, choose Chrome or Edge and confirm the browser is up to date so features work reliably. Next, grant camera and microphone permissions when the browser asks. This prevents blocked audio or video. Make sure your camera and mic are selected from the device drop-downs, and run a quick preview so you see and hear yourself before creating or joining a meeting. Now you either create a meeting or join one. Click New Meeting to generate a link or pick Start an Instant Meeting. Alternatively, paste a received meeting code into Join a Meeting. Once you enter, use the pre-call settings to pick camera, microphone, and speaker devices. Choose background blur or image if needed. If presenting, select Present Now and choose Entire Screen, Window, or Chrome tab. Choose Chrome tab for best audio sharing. This ensures you're ready and seen clearly. During the call, mute when not speaking and toggle video to save bandwidth. Pin or spotlight speakers to focus the view. Present content, using the Present Now control and record the session if the host enabled recording, and use chat or live captions to aid comprehension. If audio or video stops working, stop sharing, refresh the Meet tab, and reselect devices in Settings. Make sure the browser still has camera/mic permissions, and restart the browser if needed. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.